Hi guys, I'm back. This is Flora Place Shop on Etsy. Check it out. I hope you guys will like it. Give me some comments, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, send me a message. Well, anyway, I've got two bows made and I don't know what the heck to do with them. So I am not going to put them in right yet. I was kind of like balancing this way because I saw another lady do it and I thought, but then I took it off and I'm like, oh, I don't know, maybe I'll just use the green. So I'm going to leave these two for now and we're going to get into the picks. So I'm just going to put some glue, which you can't see, but I'm going to put some glue on my picks. Which you see the glue, and I'm going to go right inside there. And remember, ladies, once you do it with the glue, that's it. You don't want to go back because you'll ruin your mesh. So you can play around with this. These are wired, so they move. So we'll just start out with 3. Well, I thought I'd do this tutorial today because it was raining, and yesterday I was out in my new little workshop, and it's cute. Me and my son worked on it last week. Okay, so you see the gap right there. Sorry for pausing but I have to get to that. You'll see a little bit of the wire, and that I'm going to stick right in there, and then I'm going to go back in and kind of just play around with it like that. Watch your fingers because it's very, very hot. Yeah, so I'm going to put one there. And then I have one more of this. I ran out. You can't get anything. Nothing's open. Yesterday I went to Michael's and I had to wait 6 people in line to do a side road pickup. I did that for another order. So this is what I had in my stash, and I thought, oh, I'm just going to do it. It's raining out here today. We're in London, Ontario, ladies. Where are you guys all from? Leave a comment or tell me where you guys are from and who's watching, and that'd be really nice. It's nice to get new friends and people on Etsy and YouTube and Facebook, because a lot of these ladies do this. See how I just play with it? I'm in the zone right now. You know, I just play with it to see. I step back, I look at it. Okay, so now we are going to try something else. I had this in my stash and I thought, oh, how nice would that look? Look at that. Isn't that nice? I think I had a bowl of these, and I put them out last year for Halloween or Thanksgiving, and I put a bowl on the table. That's all I did. It's funny, ladies, the people that do these wreaths, they never have time to do anything for themselves. But I'm going to make time. I've been praying about it. So, God's hearing me. He's giving me a gift, and you know what? I'm going to use it. I started this last Christmas. I was in an accident 4 years ago. Not an accident, but I had a deteriorated disc and they had to do an operation. And I was 2 months in the hospital. And when I came out, I thought I was Superwoman. I had lost a lot of weight. And I decided to do some renovations around my house. And I did it by myself, and I damaged myself worse. So now I'm at the point where I have to do something else. I can't sit around and do nothing. I feel, you know, when you get into that, you're not feeling good, and, you know, who's going to hire a spinal cord person that couldn't work anywhere? So I thought, God, what can I do? What can I do? So I made something for a lady at a hospital that helped me. And she said, can you make me another one? And I said, sure. From that, I got about 25, and I did 4 custom urns for a lady. I thought, geez, they really like this. Maybe I should keep doing it. Well, here we are in COVID, and I thought, I'm going to start doing something. So I did my research. I did a lot of watching other ladies on TV, and I thought, you know what, I can do this. And they're they give you so much inspiration. And that's really important. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So I've just put in a nice wood balls. I got this bag of wicker balls from Michael's. And I use them in some of my wreaths because I just think they look really nice. And they're different than other people's, and I don't want to stick, I want to have my own flow with this, you know. Now I've got some big ones, but I don't know what to do with it. And if I'm not going to put a ribbon, I think I am going to put some ribbons here, 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 here. So, like, I mean, that looks nice. Yeah, that's where that one's going. Getting back to my lovely story about my spinal cord. So I think God has put me in this position and knows that I can't do hard work. I try my best. And so he's given me a talent, and I'm going to go with it. So ladies, when you're sad, pick up something you like doing, if it's making candles or soap bombs or anything like that. And it'll make you feel good. And then you'll stand back and look at your product and you'll say, this is beautiful. So that's just sticking. It's coming up a little bit, so I have to keep an eye on it. See? So there's a little right there. So I stand back and I go, wow, that's looking good. So I'm going to add some more leaves. Just going to go right underneath. Get underneath there and add another leaf. See some color in there. Glue gun's running low, and I need a glue pot. I think that'll be on my Christmas list. Oh, look, we're already talking Christmas. Well, I went and did a couple videos I watched, and they were doing Christmas already. I said, oh boy, I gotta get my behind moving here. So, yeah. But for retail, I mean, nothing's open, so Halloween's going to go pretty quick because nothing's open. So I'll just put that one right under there. See, you get that. And they look like real leaves too. I think I'll put that one up there. That one right in there. See that? Isn't that nice? And then I'm going to add one of these. I'm going to push it way in there. There. How's that look nice? And, you know, and if you got this wreath on your door and you have a light shining down, this is going to come up really nice. So, oh boy, I'm getting excited. I have these other bulbs, but nah, not going with that. No. See, I got a bag of these. No, that's no. So I'll stick to the fruit and the little pumpkins. And we'll go from there. There. See? Catches the light. And remember all your glue strips. So many of them. I just go like that. Now this is a cord. I might put that one. See, stand back. You can even stick one in the corner there, but make sure you get that gold in there. Okay, that guy, I know where he's going. And like I said, always check if this is going out to a customer. What I would do is shake it, trim all your back, make sure the hook's there. You don't want nothing falling off because you want this order to get to where it's going. I just sent one out west and I have to make sure everything goes just right because I don't want my product to get there and it's not what they want. I'd be devastated. So always check all your stuff. I'm sure it'll be all fine. It's just something you need to do. Yeah. So I've got this green one. I don't know. I think I've added enough. I know I need to put some greens, so I'm going to have to go to my stash because I don't want to put too many greens in. And I don't have any more fall leaves because, like I said, it's hard to get. So I might have to put this wreath on hold a bit and try to find some other things or order online or wait for my next shipment. So this will be the starting of my fall wreath. And I hope you enjoyed it as much as I have. Give me thumbs up, subscribe, look on Etsy for me, and smile and be kind. You'll be smiling after this and you'll just be so, oh, it's like therapy. It's just so nice. I get into the zone and I love it. So, yeah. So, have a nice day. Be kind. God bless. And send love to all your friends. And you make them something like this and they'll just be like, that's so nice. So, have a good day, everybody. Thank you.